Can you do intermittent fasting as a vegetarian? Absolutely. But the challenge is getting enough protein and nutrients while keeping your meals filling and fat-burning. In this video, I'll share the best vegetarian meal ideas for intermittent fasting, packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you full and energized. Let's dive in. A lot of people think you need to eat meat to do intermittent fasting effectively, but that's not true. There are plenty of plant-based foods that can help you burn fat, stay full, and get all the nutrients you need. The key is choosing the right combination of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber, so you don't feel hungry all the time. Let's talk about the best foods you should focus on. One of the biggest concerns with a vegetarian diet is getting enough protein, especially during intermittent fasting. Here are some of the best options. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, high in protein and fiber. Tofu and tempeh, great meat alternatives packed with protein. Quinoa, a complete plant protein with all essential amino acids. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. If you eat dairy, these are excellent protein sources. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are great for fats and protein. By combining these foods in the right way, you can easily meet your protein needs while staying in fat-burning mode. Now, let's talk about how to build a nutrient-dense meal that keeps you full and supports fat loss. Here's a simple formula: protein base, tofu, tempeh, lentils, or quinoa. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, or coconut oil. Fiber-rich veggies, spinach, broccoli, zucchini, or bell peppers. Complex carbs, optional. Sweet potatoes, brown rice, or whole grains. This combination keeps blood sugar stable, prevents hunger, and maximizes fat burning. Now, let's put this into practice. Here are some perfect meal ideas for your eating window breakfast. Scrambled tofu with spinach and avocado toast. Lunch, chickpea salad with olive oil, nuts, and mixed greens. Dinner, stir-fried tempeh with quinoa and roasted veggies. Snack Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries. These meals are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, keeping you full and energized all day. Even with great meal choices, there are some common mistakes to avoid. Relying too much on processed vegetarian foods, like fake meats. Not getting enough protein, leading to muscle loss and hunger. Eating too many refined carbs, which spike blood sugar and slow fat loss. Stick to whole plant-based foods and prioritize protein for the best results. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite vegetarian fasting meal? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new health and fasting tip. See you in the next video.